Welcome to my channel, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is made with precision and it's a step towards enlightenment. Are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment? Then look no further. You are at the right place. This video is crafted with care to give you valuable insights and life-changing information concerning vocational training in Germany. Let's not forget, with vocational training, that is skilled labor, skilled way of learning. With the ChancenKarte that we have now in Germany, this can be your gateway to success. Apart from that, let's not forget as well that vocational training, you have to do all your training in Dutch. That is, you must learn the language, so it would be good if you learn the language from B2 and above or B1 to be able to come into and understand this vocational training. If you are looking for a fresh career path, or you are already in a career and intend to switch career, then look no further. A lot of options are being introduced to you here with all the necessary things. Then you can take the right step in the right direction. Why do you want to choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust hands-on experience and academic learning. In this process, you earn and you learn as well. And this is a practical settings for open doors for much career opportunities. So join our community of like-minded individuals, and you can watch our videos on an online platform of those who have been successful in their career journeys and have integrated well into the German system. Get inspired by their success stories, hear from them, learn from them, and it's going to be very good if you make use of this life-changing information, which will make your integrating into the system much easier. By watching this video, you are not just helping yourself, but you are helping families and friends, and you are becoming a beacon of knowledge to those. You are becoming a platform of information for those around you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos, and share this information so that we create a community of inspired individuals together. In today's video, this is a continuation video, and everything in this video is about electricals. If you are interested in electricals, how electricity is being managed and done, then this is the career you would want to look into, the options that we have in this playlist. In previous videos, I have already discussed 6 career options that you have under professions in energy technology. Professions in energy technology, that is Berufe in the Energie Technik. And I've also invited someone on our Instagram page who has discussed is into wind turbine, renewable energy, what you need to do, how you can prepare before you start your vocational training. Today's video is still about professions in the energy technology, that is Berufe in the Energie Technik, and I'll be discussing 3 career options in this video for today. So I will encourage you to watch the video to the end. The 7th career path today is the industry electrical in the Fachrichtung Betriebstechnik. That is industrial electrician specializing in the industry and industrial engineering. So industrial electrician, if you want to become an industrial electrician specializing in industrial engineering, it has to do with industrial engineering, then this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. And there are also other career options under electricals that are being discussed in this video. This career is 2 years. If you want to go into this career option, it's 2 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. That is, it is a recognized training. It is a recognized profession. Do you need any certificates? Yes, if you have your Hochschulreife, if you have your Realschulabschluss or your Hauptschulabschluss, any of these 3 certificates, you are being admitted. If you have equivalent certificate as well, definitely you are going to be admitted. And Let's not forget it's 2 years and it is a recognized training. Now let's go to the description. If you want to become an industrial electrician specializing in industrial engineering, then what do? We are qualified electricians in the sense of accident prevention regulation. You are qualified electricians. You prevent accidents. You follow the regulation. They process, assemble, and connect mechanical and electrical equipment together. They join mechanical and electrical equipment together. They also install electrical equipment. They carry out maintenance work as well. So you carry out maintenance work, you install components mechanically and electrical, and you join the components together. They are also involved in quality assurance. Let's not forget, you have to follow the standard so that there are no accidents. They analyze, test electrical systems and functions, and they carry out safety tests that the electrical components, the electrical functions are up to standard and they don't cause accident. They document production data, and they coordinate with upstream and downstream, and in doing so they take into account, for example, occupational safety and environmental protection requirements. So occupational safety, environmental protection requirements, these are the things they look into when they are carrying out their quality assurance. They are making sure that the safety rules and regulations is being followed. Where do they find employment? The job market is very open. You find employment in metal and electrical industries because you are joining mechanical components and electrical components together. So you can find employment in metal and electrical industries, in companies that are into automotive like cars, automotive industries, in plant engineering, and in energy supply companies. In energy supply companies, you can find employment there as well. The next career, the second career in this video, because we have 3 careers that I'm going to discuss in this video, the second career is going to be discussed in the same video. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. So this is the 8th career path. Welcome back. That is the technical assistant for regenerative or renewable energy technology. That is technician assistant for regenerative energy technique or the energy tech management. The duration is 2 to 3 years. If you want to go into this career option, the duration of the vocational training is 2 to 3 years, and the type, it's a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a vocational college profession. It's a Berufsfachschulberuf. And what are the requirements? If you have your intermediate school leaving certificate, anything less than that, you are not accepted into this vocational training. Anything lower than that, your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss, that's what the Germans call it. Anything lower than that, you are not accepted into this vocational training. So going to this is 2 to 3 years, and it's a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a college occupation. So what do they do? Those are into renewable energy technology and energy management. They support engineers in the development of solutions for the use and consumption of renewable energy. If you're interested in how renewable energy is being done for consumption, then this is a career you will want to look into. They make use of energy sources like wind, sunlight, and geothermal energy. That's the turbine. Wind, sunlight, and geothermal energy. This technology is used as a source for generating electricity, not just electricity only as well, but heat energy as well. For example, from wind power plant. So that is what they do. They build, they test sample circuits and test them. They design circuits and they test them as well. They also measure electrical and non-electrical quantities. They evaluate the measurements and document the result. So if you're interested in renewable energy, how the wind, the sunlight, is being transmitted or changed into renewable energy to electrical energy or heat energy, then this is a career you would want to look into. They also advise customers on how to make effective use of their corresponding products. They can also be involved in maintenance, monitoring, and the sales of machines for wind, for solar, and hydrogen technology. Any of this, they are into it. So where do they find employment? They find employment at energy suppliers of, for example, in the wind area, in the hydroelectrical or solar power plants. So if you're interested in solar power plant, in wind, in turbine, in hydroelectric, anything electricals, then solar power plants, that is a career you want to look into. They also find employment at manufacturers of electrical systems and components, in electrical installation companies, and in engineering offices in the field of renewable energy technology. So basically, it's if you are interested in solar, wind, hydroelectric, anything that has to do with renewable energy in that area, this is a career you want to look into. The third career path will still be discussed in this video, so see you there. So this is the ninth career path, that is the technical system planner, specializing in the area of electrotechnical systems. That is the technische system planner in the Fachrichtung Elektrotechnische System. The duration is 3 years and 5 months. 3 years and 5 months, and it's a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. If you have your Hochschulreife, your Hauptschulabschluss or your Realschulabschluss or equivalent certificates, you are going to be admitted into this career path. And let's not forget that this is not just what you need, you also need to understand the German language. So if you have not started your German language, I will encourage you to do so. So what do they do? Technical system planners. You want to become a technical system planner specializing in electrical systems. You want to plan electrical systems. What do? You produce drawings. You produce drawings and technical documents for buildings and system engineering. So you are into drawings, you produce drawings for buildings. When it comes to electrical systems, you plan how the electrical system in the building is going to be, and electrical installations. And most times they work with the computer, with using the CAD system. On the basis of specifications and customer requests, they produce drafts, detailed plans, as well as the circuits and cabling plans. So what you do is you plan all the electricals of a building. You are the system planner, and you use the computer using CAD to do so. In doing so, they observe the relevant drawings, standards, and enter dimensions that are appropriate for production, following definitely regulation standards. They create work specifications, operating instructions, and assemble these plans, and they plan the circuits, the drawings, the cables. They make sure that they follow the regulation, the standard regulation for electricity. Where do you find employment? They find employment in engineering and planning offices, any planning offices that has to do with maybe a company or a state or anywhere that has to do with planning of electricals. They find employment there. They also find employment in the design offices of companies that are into energy supply like renewable energy, hydroelectric energy. And they also find employment in companies that are into information and communication technology and mechanical plant engineering sectors. That is where they find employment. So if you're interested in how electricity is being planned in a building, this is a career you want to look into. Stay tuned for more careers. The other area of specialization, the careers will still be coming in our next video. Until then, don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you. Your journey into integrating into Germany through vocational training must be a success. Don't give up on yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. like, share, comment. If you want information about any vocational training that you are looking forward to that you don't have information on yet, feel free to write us in the comment section. Stay tuned and see you in our next video.